Hey everyone, so this is day 2 of me playing around with AMD's monster of a GPU, the MI300, and ROCm courtesy of the good folks at Hot Isle. So in this video I just want to show you how using Hugging Face transformers and doing inference is extremely easy with AMD ROCm. So let's get started. So similar to my other videos, I have a Medium blog post and I have the commands there. So the first thing is like the other one is you have like a Docker image, so you do Docker pull that image, so you do Docker pull like this, and then the next thing is we can run this command to get the Docker started. The difference between this and the previous video is I have this -w workspace / notebooks. So this, what's cool about this is it'll give me like a working directory to work with, and that's useful if you want to like kind of use your notebooks more than once. So like after you kill the container and that sort of thing. So let's just paste this command here. Okay, so now as in the previous video we want to use Jupyter, so I do pip install Jupyter, and notice I'm in the Docker container. These commands are in the Medium post, so you can literally just take that. So pip install Jupyter, and then I want to run this no hup Jupyter lab. This IP thing, it allows you to use your IP here. Port no browser allow root. What's also important is my notebook app.token equals my token. That's just nice because you don't have to copy and paste these like long tokens. So I do Control C, Control V here. Okay, so now this works. So now what you would do is, let's say your SSH was like 12.34.56.78, and then you put your port 888 and you get your Jupyter lab. But obviously that wasn't the one we had, and I did port forwarding, so that's why I use localhost 880. And I can show you how to do port forwarding. Leave me a comment if that's of interest to you. I'll make a quick video on that concept. But okay, so now we have the Jupyter lab, and as I said, because I gave it a directory, it has notebooks in that directory. So this example I called it Llama 3 inference. So to use this, first thing you need to do is you need to do pip install the transformers library from Hugging Face and accelerate. I actually don't know if we need accelerate for this, but anyways, let's do that anyway. So once I install this, sometimes I learned that you have to like restart when you use accelerate, but sometimes I notice you don't need to, so let's restart anyway. So I'll do restart kernel. So now we log into our Hugging Face hub, so we can put it in our Llama 3 token, and I unchecked this box because I never tried doing this get credential. It gives me an error if I leave it checked. I copy and paste my Llama token. Again, I have other videos showing how to get that. Leave a comment if you want me to show you again. So I put the token, I put login. So now I've logged in. So now first thing is I need to initialize the model pipeline. So I do pipeline equals transformers.pipeline. The task is text generation, model equals model ID, and the model ID is this instruct thing, and you go like this. And this like will initialize the pipeline. Okay, so let's wait for this to run. If the first time is it installs it has to download the model. That's why it takes time. So once this is done, we can run inference. So we give it like a list of messages. So as you see, the device is set to CUDA 0. That means we are using our AMD GPU. And part 2, I said, is run inference with chat messages. So like you have this message format where you have like role, system, content, and then you say you are a financial analyst. You can classify text sentiment as bullish, bearish, or neutral. And then role, this is what the user writes. So this is what you yourself can write in the chat. Tesla / Model Y prices. So usually when that happens, from my experience, Tesla would crash. Let's see what Llama 3 says. So you put it in the pipeline, you put messages, max new tokens, and this is some randomization stuff. And here, the answer is based on the information provided, I would classify the sentiment as bearish. The fact that Tesla has slashed Model Y prices suggests a decrease in demand or a need to stimulate sales, which can be a negative indicator for the company's financial health and stock performance. So as you see, it's just so easy to use Hugging Face Transformers. It's lightning quick, so I can apply this on like thousands of texts, because this AMD MI300 is a complete beast. Anyways, if you're new, please like and subscribe. It helps build my confidence, and see you in the next video. I'll do it on Quora, fine tuning.